Hi everyone, good evening. Today that I'm going to share about I have taken one position in mid cap nifty. Basically, I have taken in end of the market in the market hours of around 3 o'clock this positions. It is a mid cap nifty, and today that I'm going to explain about why I have taken this trade and what is the logic behind it, and we'll understand one by one. And let me share my screen. And also, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Many of the people are views this video but they won't subscribe. Please do subscribe and support me. And we'll start with the video first, and we'll analyze the chart, and then we'll analyze the open interest as well as what is the strategy that I took, and we'll understand each and everything. Let's go with understanding the strategy first. What I did is like basically I have an option called like what I did means I have done the combination of two strategy here. One is the put put ratio spread as well as call ratio spread. I sold, what the logic is, I sold the 12,100 as well as 12,200 with the 900 quantities. Basically, what happens here, if you can see the, this is how look is the payoff graph. Like the in middle one, like middle the 0.4 percentage or 0.3 percentage, I'll be having very less risk, means 251 rupees. If anywhere between the, like this is a Friday close, and if market is opened gap up or gap down anywhere, and also yeah, my plan is simple. I will hold this particular trade until Monday afternoon. Anywhere if it closes, like suppose if it open the 1.5 percentage on the downside, and I'll be in the huge loss. Suppose at the 9:15, let's understand this. If it is open 1.5, basically it won't, like even if it is open in worst case, this is my maximum loss that I'm going to take, and I will exit the trade. If in case if it opens the 1 percentage, I'll be in the profit only, like around 1.5. This was my range, like anywhere if it closes anywhere between this range, I will be making very good money. Means this is a like 12,000 25 as well as 12,000 375 is my range. And if in this range if it closes anywhere, I am going to make a money. If 20,000 12,175 to 12,000 220 in this range, if it closes, I will be in the loss of like around 250 or 300 rupees, including brokerage and all. I may lose in the 1,000 rupees. But basically, the probability of winning is very high in this particular trade because 70 percentage. Even if suppose there are the worst possible we can think of it. Like suppose the market opens gap down of 1 percentage. At least if it makes the retracement of zero point 0.3, and if it is close anywhere between this, like even the morning session only, I in the first of session only I'll try to close this trade. If if I can check the global market, and the global market is negative only, if it may open the gap down of 1 percentage or zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.7, based on that we'll check out that one. But and all the global markets are negative only, and Nifty also it is showing the 117 point negative. Mid cap Nifty may open the 1 percentage or 1 percentage gap down. If it case worst cases, if it is open the 1.5 percentage, I'm going to exit in the morning only this particular trade. Whatever the losses that will occur, I will exit and I'll cut my loss and will re-enter with the price positions. That was the first thing. If in case if the market is open in the gap up or like in the neutral ways, like suppose if it is open in the same price, that I'm going to make a money, very good money. And if it is open, definitely by this scenarios, the global market, how this looks means every market like US market, European market, everything is looking red only. And also, if this market's open 1 percentage point 0.8, then it is very good. If it is open the like significantly 1.5 or 1.3 percentage, that I'll cut my trade and I'll take up first positions. That was the plan. That was the second plan. And third plan, if it is open the gap up, I will close my positions. I will do the fresh entry because the on the positive side, if I consider on chart wise, if I consider this will be, I will be again it will close in this range only as per my plan. Suppose if I go to chart, on the last, like if you can consider in a 1 hour candle, in the last, like from last Jan 24th 2024 till now, it will come here in this range and it will go up. It is always, but this time the candle was a little bit bearish. If you consider, every time it is closing, before closing it may hit and it may go down. The tomorrow may happen same thing, but the tomorrow scenario is very different because the market is opening gap up, gap down. Suppose if it is closes here, wherever, like these peoples are bought, like suppose these guys are bought and they make it, they already in panic, like these guys whoever is bought in this range, they are already in panic and they exited the trade. The next possible people is, this is the target. Suppose many people are bought and they hit the stop loss, like this may be the stop loss, and it may come to 12,050 and 12,050 and it may go up. That was the first scenario. And the second case is, this is my break even. 12,024 is my break even. I will not wait until this breaks because 12,080 is 12,024 is a very good support. If I consider every time, like if it comes to this range, like the Friday also the market was very bearish. I don't think it will be a continuous day of this one. And even if it is a gap down open, it may do some retracement and it may come back. But I don't think if it is a open low is not broken, then it will not cross that particular day and it will be the again trending day. If considering this chart, now currently we are having upper side, my break even is 12,376 and lower side 12,024. Until this breaks or until this opens, like until this two breaks, I won't do any kind of adjustments. And because I don't have any adjustment scenario here, if you can see here, the current scenario is like I can shift my this leg, the particular leg. Now currently what we are having on the call side, 12,300 call option as well as 12,000. The one more position is 12,000. 175 put option. These I can shift it and I can put it in the current market price. That was the next scenario. But it will be again risky if market is going in the upward direction. Again, I can't able to adjust that particular position. So what is my plan is, if the market is open in the between in this range and if it is consolidate for till 12 o'clock, I'm going to close the trade. That was the first case. If it is opened a full significant gap down, I'm going to close at the first shot only, because whatever the losses I am going to occur, and I will take that loss and I'll close it and I'll take up first positions. That was the plan. Like if until this range is there, I'm not going to panic and I will hold that trade. And that was the plan. The maximum loss that I'm going to take is, if in worst case, like I don't think this will may happen, like 2.5 percentage or 2 percentage in the gap down in fin nifty, like mid cap nifty. Even if it is open 1.5 percentage, I may maximum loss of 1.3 percentage, like which I deployed capital. And this is the first thing. And yeah, this is all about the strategy which I'm going to do. And coming to chat, like this is a chart. Like, currently, like 12,050 is a 12,150 is a very good support, because whenever the market comes, it will bounce back from this level. There are many buyers are sitting here and they will buy these positions and they are taking up to the market up in the upward directions. But now, if you can see this particular candle, this is very bearish. In the last 15 minutes, it is very bearish, and also the market is also closed in the bearish outlook only. But whenever in the last 4 or 5 times, last 15 minutes, somehow the market is recovered or somehow it has created some bullish doji coin, bullish doji candle. If you can see this one as well as this one, these levels are very like bearish, bullish candles that has created. But if you can see this 15 minutes, it is very bearish. Okay, now the possibilities is, like suppose if I consider if it is open in this particular range or if it is opens out of range, we are going to exit it. Like I don't think it will open 1.5 percentage. Basically, if I consider this one, the maximum move per day is the mid cap nifty is like, I think this was the very big candle, and apart from that I think it almost like 1.5 like 2.5 percentage down move, and I didn't see anywhere like it moved in the continuous direction. Even if it is moves like it may open, if you can see this candle on the particular day, this is I think on the election day, it moves almost like 10 11 percentage, and the next move is next day is a positive. But wherever you can see is the there is very less continuation is there. And if you can like the 2.5 percentage, that was like, and also 3 days continuous it was the downfall. And tomorrow I am expecting it may open, like it may open gap down and it may go up, or it may close at whatever the price it opens, it will close that in that particular range only, like 10-15 points up and down. But that was the plan. But it will not be the like it kind of like this is candle will be this kind, like it may open close like this, or it may close like this, and it may close, it won't close like this, that is a damn sure. It open like this and it won't close like this. It will be close in this candle way only, because on that particular day. And also if I can consider the open interest, let me open the option chain. Yep, now 12,200 is the highest call and put writers are there, like strangle created, like almost like 18.4 is a call side and 13.4 is a put side. And if I consider in this range, like in current scenario, 12,200 is the very good call side as well as put side support. And the next is on the call side is 12,300. I don't think this will cross, because this has already in the bearish in the market. And even if you can sell like 12,250, 225 or 12,050, you'll make a very good of money, like very good amount of money, because this will definitely, this is going to be close below this 12,300 only in this current market scenario. And 12,200 is also having highest call, because 18.4 lakh is the call open interest. On the lower side, we are having 12,200 as the like 13.5, 13.4, and 12,100 is at 12.2. And these are the things. But current like 12,000 is the highest open interest on the put side, because there are many people like 578 percentages, like this has been changed in the option price also, like. And this is the based on this, like this will be the my stop loss, like currently if it is close to 12,025, if it is in this range, if it close the mid cap nifty, then only I'll be in certain amount, like 1,000 2,000 rupees will be in the profit. If it close anywhere in this between range, I'll make good amount of money. That's it for the day. Like if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best for Monday.